Alright guys, so yeah, if you're wondering what I got from the train show, this is what I got. I got my first Amtrak HO scale locomotive, and it's an F7 numbered 103 in the Phase 1 paint scheme, which Amtrak actually used on its F7. So, and the guy that was selling this said it runs, and all I need to do is just attach the couplers that are right over here, and then I'm good to go. Oh, yep. Plus, the good part about this locomotive, so you see how it says $35 on the side of it. Well, it was supposed to be $35, but the guy who's selling it, well, it was pretty nice and lowered it $5, which made it exactly $30. Yep.